video, I'm going to teach you how to copy independent databases in Notion. If you've ever wanted to spin up a fresh version of an existing database, same properties, same views, same entries, but no ongoing link back to the original, this is exactly what you need. An independent copy means the new database will not sync with the original, so any future edits you make in one won't affect the other. This is perfect for turning a template into a new project space, creating a sandbox for testing filters and formulas, or archiving a snapshot while you continue working elsewhere. Let's start with the quickest path right from the sidebar. First, find your database in the left-hand sidebar. Hover over its name and look for the three-dot icon next to it. Click that icon, then choose Duplicate. Notion will instantly create a brand new independent database, and you'll see it appear in the sidebar with Copy in the name. That label is just a placeholder so you can tell them apart at a glance. Feel free to rename it later to match your workflow. The key point here is that this is a true database duplicate, not a linked view. All your properties, views, filters, and existing entries are duplicated. But from now on, updating one won't change the other. Here is also a second way to do the exact same thing, which is handy if you are already inside the database. Open the database as a full page so you can see its title and toolbar at the top. In the top right corner, click the three-dot icon to open the page menu. Select Duplicate. Just like before, Notion generates an independent copy with Copy in the title. You'll find it in your sidebar, ready to use. Both methods produce the same result. It's simply a matter of whether you prefer working from the sidebar or from within the full page view. A couple of quick tips to keep in mind if you are collaborating with others. Make sure your workspace permissions allow you to duplicate the database. Also, remember that each database copy carries over the same schema and content at the moment you duplicate it. That makes it great for versioning or creating repeatable systems without rebuilding properties every time. And that's all there is to it. Use the sidebar shortcut when you want to duplicate quickly, or the full page menu when you are already inside the database. Thanks for watching.